Hey guys, it's Lala here. Welcome to DIYMugBiz channel. As you can see, this is actually behind the scene, my workstation. The person that's in front of you right now is my son Clarence, and he is helping me with a few orders that we have. I'm gonna go ahead and take you behind the scene and show you what my workstation looks like. This is where I make all my orders for my mugs. Here is a few of my inventory that I ordered last week that just arrived today. My bubble wrap, my packing peanuts, and my boxes. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and order some of your inventories. This is actually the calm before the storm. So I didn't order a lot of inventories. I just ordered enough because Black Friday is coming up and a lot of the vendors that I usually order my inventories from will have a special. So that's when I order more inventories for the busy season. Now, if you want to do this, but you're feeling like you can't because you think you need a big warehouse or expensive equipment or lots of inventories, well, I'm telling you that you don't. As you can see, I don't have a big space. I'm only using a quarter of my garage, and this is my setup. This is where I make all my mugs, orders, and everything. And we do have our Ultimate DIYMugBiz program for beginners. If you want to learn everything that I'm doing to make mugs and how to start your own business, I will go ahead and put that link in the description below. And also I will put that link in the comment. If you have any questions, go ahead and put that in the comment and I will be more than happy to answer them. And also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And don't forget to hit the like button. And I will see you in the next video.